This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. In order to buy or sell products in QuickBooks Commerce, you'll need to add relationships. Relationships are either your customers or suppliers. The process to add either is very similar, but for this example, we'll go over how to add a customer. We'll cover adding a customer, assigning a price list to a customer, how to add customers in bulk, and how to group customers together so that you can easily change prices or payment terms for similar customers. To add a customer, go to Relationships and select New Customer. Enter the company name. In the Customer Type field, select Business Customer for your wholesale customers or Consumer for other customers. Fill in the rest of the details as much as you can. Under Default Settings, you can do things like assign a sales rep to this account and select a default stock location. This is also where you assign a default price list to your customer. The default price list will appear whenever sales orders are created for that customer. Choose a default price list for the relationships from the menu. Next, enter the company's address. Select Create Customer and you will see your new customer on your Relationships page. Once you've created a customer, you can add contacts. Choose a relationship from the list and select Add a Contact. Enter in their details, then select Add Contact. You can also import customers or suppliers in bulk from a spreadsheet. To do this, go to the Relationships tab and select Import Relationships. Select Generate Template and fill in the required fields in the spreadsheet. Save it and re-upload. Please note that for the Company Type field, QuickBooks Commerce accepts 3 types: Business, Consumer, and Supplier. If you enter other words in that field or leave it blank, the info will not upload. Once the upload is complete, you'll see all your customers listed in your Relationships page. You can also create customer groups so you can easily change settings like price lists, payment terms, and discounts for similar customers. To create a group, select Customer Groups and New Customer Group. Enter the details you want each customer in this group to inherit. Note that adding a customer to this group will change their individual settings to match the ones defined here. When you're ready, select Create Customer Group. Next, assign customers to your group. The easiest way to do this is with bulk actions. From the Companies tab, select the companies you want to add to the group. Then from Group Actions, select Assign to Customer Group. Select the customer group you wish to assign the companies to. Select Save, and you'll see your new group listed under Groups. Now, if you want to change the settings for all the members of your group, open the group, make your change, save, and now every member of your group will inherit that change. If you wish to remove a company from a group, select Unassign from Customer Group. Now you're ready to add in your own customers and suppliers in QuickBooks Commerce.